welcome to AGAA-MATH. This is Rakesh. Here, happy to announce one thing about with all your support. Today our channel promoted with a super thanks. So here you can see the two super thanks here. Okay, so that you just to support us and helping us in to make the better videos, you can use the super thanks. Just click on super thanks here and then choose the amount that you would like to donate to our channel to help and support us. So if you choose just rupees 40 or rupees 100, so just if you select that and click on buy and send. After that then you choose the respective accounts you have through Google Pay, okay, or else you can use net banking. So if I use my account like this, so this is how, and then one tap to buy. So it asks your authentication to pay the amount, right? And then the amount would be success. So this is how it shows. This is how about donating the amount and helping us. I hope you all support us using super thanks. Thank you all. Thank you so much.